Today I will show you how to install Windows 11 on your new PC. It's a very simple process and I've broken it down into just a few steps. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Our first step is getting Windows 11 onto a USB drive. To do this, you will need an external Windows device, meaning a laptop or a desktop PC. You will also need a USB drive with at least 8 GB inside. You will need to plug this USB drive into your computer. Once you've done that, open browser and type in Windows 11 ISO. You will then click on the first link on the Microsoft website. I will state the link in first comment. When the page is loaded, you will need to scroll down and find download button. Windows 11 disk image ISO. Then click the confirm button, select language for your Windows and now download ISO image. Second step is create the bootable USB drive. It means that we are going to write our Windows into Flash. With program Rufus, this program allows to write any operating system for your USB and install. Search in browser Rufus. Go to first site and press download button. Now plug in your USB, open Rufus. Under device, select your USB drive. Under boot selection, click select and choose the Windows 11 ISO you just downloaded. Leave partition same on GPT for modern PCs. That's UEFI. Leave the rest on default. Hit start. If you want, you can experiment with settings. For example, you can disable by default all unuseful software, such as Copilot, OneDrive, and of course, you can disable data collection on your Windows. Rufus will warn you it's about to erase the drive. Confirm and let it run. Takes 5 to 10 minutes depending on your USB speed. Now when you go to File Explorer and view the drive's contents, it should look like this. Now that Windows 11 is installed onto the drive, you can remove it from your computer. Now we are on step 3, install Windows onto the new PC. We are going to use our drive to install Windows onto the new PC. It's my new fresh built PC setup. You are going to plug USB drive into the USB port and then click the power button. After a few seconds, you will go through the motherboard loading screen and then you should be greeted by this window prompt. Make sure all the settings are correct and then click next and install now. Windows will ask if you have a product key, but we don't have a product key yet. But then we are going to activate by one program. Select Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro. It doesn't really matter as long as it's of these two. Read and memorize every single applicable notice and license term, and then reset it to yourself accurately 10 times and then click. You will need to select the drive where you want to install Windows, which should be an SSD on these days, and then you can click next. Windows will then install and take you to their setup where you will put your login info, country and all of this good things. So that will wrap up today's Windows 11 installation guide video. I tried making this as short but also not as rushed as possible, because I didn't want the video drag out. It's a very simple process and honestly, the video shouldn't be any longer than 4 minutes, so it seems like I met the goal. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you drop a like. And of course, if you have any comments or questions regarding the process or digital chill out, please leave a comment below. And as always, if you enjoy the content you are seeing, I would really appreciate a sub. Thanks for watching.